What comes after cold noodles? Cold soy milk soup over noodles. Sounds like a strange combination, right?
This rich, nutty soy broth is served icy cold. Yes, it is literally a cold, savory soup dish. It is called Kongguksu, and it happens to be the ultimate Korean summer dish you must try. Today, we are going to fully master this recipe, covering everything from basic preparation to food safety. But why soy milk soup in the first place? Let us dive right into its interesting history first.
Making kongguksu is simple. You just grind boiled soybeans, pour the broth over noodles, and you are done.
Koreans love eating this during sambok, which refers to the 3 hottest, most intense days of summer. These 3 specific peak heat days are traditional periods meant for recharging your energy through nutritious food. While chicken soup is popular, kongguksu is another classic choice because it is packed with plant protein. Here is a fun fact. Koreans actually have a huge debate over how to season this soup properly.
Should you add salt or sugar? Regional preferences vary wildly, so which side would you personally choose?
I personally lean towards salt because it enhances the natural, nutty flavor profile of the boiled soybeans.
Every family has their own custom twist, especially when it comes to the thickness of soy milk.
Now, let us roll up our sleeves and cook. I will show you 2 distinct preparation methods today. We have the traditional grandmother method and a super quick modern shortcut. What sets them apart completely?
Let us start with the classic recipe. First, soak dried yellow soybeans completely in clean, cold water. Soak them for 6 to 8 full hours until properly expanded, ensuring they blend smoothly later on.
Next, boil the soaked beans gently until tender, and then carefully slip off all their outer skins.
Blend those peeled soybeans thoroughly with fresh water until the mixture becomes silky, smooth, and ultra creamy.
That gives you pure soy milk broth. Just add a pinch of salt and chill it cold. It clearly requires considerable time and love, representing the classic technique passed down from Grandma's kitchen. But if you are pressed for time today, pay close attention to this incredibly simple modern alternative. Grab a carton of unsweetened, plain soy milk that contains absolutely no added flavors like vanilla.
Plain soy milk alone feels too runny, so add fresh tofu to dramatically boost its creamy texture. Tofu consists of coagulated soy protein, which naturally thickens liquid into a delightfully rich soup base. Blend the tofu and soy milk together smoothly with salt. Then, chill the mixture in your fridge.
Hold on, here is a crucial scientific note. Soybeans are actually a major primary allergen for many people. In America, federal law mandates clear food labels for the top 9 major food allergens nationwide. That official list includes milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, sesame, and soybeans as well. Soy is right up there on that list, making it a surprisingly common trigger among young children.
The human immune system mistakenly overreacts to specific proteins, which is precisely how allergic reactions happen.
When buying store-bought soy products, always inspect the packaging carefully for potential cross-contamination warnings. If you plan on serving guests, asking about dietary restrictions beforehand is always great host etiquette. What if your guests cannot consume soy? Do not worry, because smart alternative options exist right here. Where can you buy these simple ingredients? Your local American grocery store has everything you need. Places like Whole Foods or Trader Joe's carry plenty of unsweetened soy milk and fresh tofu options. Make sure it says unsweetened on the label so the savory, salty notes can truly shine through.
For tofu, select soft silken tofu or standard firm block tofu, depending on your preferred broth thickness.
If soy is completely off the table for you,
Try using creamy, unsweetened almond milk instead.
Unsweetened oat milk works nicely too, offering a slightly different nutty vibe that is still super delicious. Now that our ingredients are fully prepped and ready, shall we finally assemble this amazing dish? The classic traditional topping is thinly sliced cucumber, which adds a wonderful, refreshing crunch to every bite.
Some people even throw in sweet watermelon slices, instantly doubling that light, cooling summer vibe you want. Plus, this entire recipe is completely vegan, using zero meat or dairy so everyone can enjoy it. Stay tuned for our next exciting episode, and do not forget to subscribe to catch more food secrets.